log in. I'm going down this time. I'm not going down it.
I cannot wait for this. It's going to be so funny.
You're trying to go down crazy. Alright, let me get this quick flip real quick. Okay, I'm gonna get my bike. Is it still going?
Mhm.
Has it still got a little bit?
Yeah, it's got like an hour worth of video.
Oh, yeah.
As long as my phone don't go dead. It's still got 3 bars of battery, so.
I love you, baby.
I love you. I got that on video. Warning, people watching this video, Chaz is using lots of vulgar language. Just ignore it.
Dick ass cunt juice. Man, it is sketchy. I wanna watch you.
You done?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah.